Hi everyone, this is Steve from SCOARTGLASS. This is part one of the Cardinal project. I'm back. I'm going to start working on this new Suncatcher. It's about a 6-inch round Suncatcher that I'm making for a colleague of mine. I normally will come along and start gently going in on the inside line. They do make scissors for these patterns, pattern scissors. They'll cut out just the right amount of spacing in between pieces. I have them. I always end up having problems with them because the paper gets caught up and jammed up in between, and got to constantly clean it out, and it's just too much of a hassle for me. I just go with a good old pair of scissors. Now that you can see I can cut from elementary school, I'm going to speed up the video. I'm back. We're going to do the gluing of the great Cardinal Suncatcher. Like I said, I use paper for most of mine, unless I think I'm going to do it again, and then I will use cardboard, or not cardboard, poster board to get that, keep that pattern. That way I can use it over and over again. And I'll try and normally glue my pieces close together as if they were being put together. The reason I do that, because you can get some good cuts, and you stay with the, if you're using a grain style piece of glass, you can keep the grains going the same, and unless somebody looks real closely, then gives some continuity in the piece. So we'll go ahead and glue all this, and I'll kind of fast forward it. everybody, we're back. I'm going to use some textured glass for the remaining pieces for the Cardinal Suncatcher. With this, I've got the patterns already cut out here, and I'm going to place them with the texture that I think is best for the Suncatcher. Remember, there are two sides to textured glass. You got your smooth side and your texture side. So I'm going to place the patterns on here where the curvature that's already kind of cut out fits the best. And then also remember, you have to place your patterns face down on the smooth side, so that way when you flip it over, the texture will be right side up in your Suncatcher. So I'll go ahead and place these in different areas using the curvatures that are already there, and I can't place it the same way I would normally place it to stay in line with each other, because I have to do everything face down. I will go ahead and glue these, and then we will fast forward through the rest. Well, this concludes part 1 of the Cardinal project. Ensure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification button so you'll get notified for part 2, where we will cut, grind, and solder this project.